Hello dear students, let's check out this particular question now. In this question, a astronomical telescope has objective and eyepiece of focal length 40 cm and 4 cm respectively. To view an object 200 cm away from the objective, the lenses must be separated by a distance. So according to this particular question of astronomical telescope, we can easily come up with a diagram somewhat like this, where object is placed at a distance of 200 centimeter from the objective and the focal length of eyepiece here is 4 centimeter. Now we know that for astronomical telescope, the image formed of the object by the objective lens is at the focus of the eyepiece lens under normal adjustment. We are aware of this particular concept regarding astronomical telescope. In this particular question, we have been given the focal length of objective to be 40 centimeter, focal length of eyepiece to be 4 centimeter, and the object distance from the objective, that is u naught here, is equal to minus 200 centimeter, correct? So if we apply lens formula for objective here, which is given by 1 by f naught is equal to 1 by v naught minus 1 by u naught, we will be getting, if we substitute all these values, we will be getting the value of v naught to be equal to 50 centimeter, correct? Therefore, the distance of image from the objective, which is denoted by v in this particular diagram, which is equal to v naught, is equal to 50 centimeter. And I just told you that the image formed of the object by the objective lens is at the focus of the eyepiece lens, correct? So if this is at the focus, therefore the distance between this image eye and the eyepiece here is equal to 4 centimeter, correct? Because this particular image now acts as a virtual object for the eyepiece lens, correct? And in the question, we need to give the distance by which these two lenses are separated. From this particular diagram, we can clearly see that the distance between these two lenses under normal adjustment L is equal to 50 plus 4 centimeter, that is 54 centimeter. So according to our calculation, option number 1 seems to be the correct answer. Let's verify this with our answer slide. So option number 1 is the correct answer here, okay? I hope this particular question is clear to you. Thank you.